Okay, so I haven't posted anything about the helmet in a while. I'm sure you've all noticed that, maybe, maybe not. After talking to somebody about the cons of putting paint on the helmet, I thought of another idea, and it's actually probably less messy. Unfortunately, it's already too late for I put the pearl down on the helmet, so hopefully I never have to whack my head, but this actually might be less messy than paint. It might work out to my advantage because I couldn't find the paint in the exact color orange I was looking for, and vinyl, right? Make your own vinyl graphics and put it on. So I'm gonna try this and see if this works, right? Just sticks on like a sticker, and and won't hurt the integrity of the helmet. And somebody that I talked to online did this to their helmet, so gonna go see if it works. Okay, so here we have the finished product of my Ron Hextall Philadelphia Flyers tribute helmet. And I ended up not using paint and went with the vinyl, and it turned out pretty well. Took a while, but each piece on here is custom cut except for the decals with the Flyers logo decals. But it was fairly straightforward and easy to do. Used a paper cutter and Xacto knife blade, and was able to pretty much go for it. Some of the pieces I cut out, and some of the pieces I just laid on a big piece of vinyl so I could get it flat where I wanted it to, and then very carefully with the Xacto knife, trying not to cut into the helmet, to cut out the shapes that I wanted. And obviously this is not an exact replica, but it's somewhat modeled on Ron Hextall's Arrow helmet. He had a white one like this. He also had a black one. And the numbers and the Flyers logo on it are official helmet decals. Same ones that the Flyers use on their helmets. So, pretty cool. And this is probably going to be my backup helmet. My HJC helmet is the one that I tend to wear out most because I can put the camera on it. But this model helmet is Bell Revolver. And obviously I don't have the face shield back in it yet, but it's a modular helmet. So this whole front piece here lifts up. So I think it would have been a little easier if it was, a one-piece full-face helmet, but it worked out in the end. So, hope you guys like it, and let's go Flyers.